Good evening everyone. Today I make you visit in my garden which contain a lot of flowers and the flower birds in it. Let's begin with the rose one. This rose variety is said to be the desi as it grow very easily with the help of the single and small piece of the cutting. Okay, see how what a color it has. It has very sweet smell as I can smell it. Wow, what a wonderful smell it has. Okay, let's begin with the next rose plant only. See this one. This one is the next rose variety of in my garden. Okay, this rose variety is the miniature one, which in which the lot of birds will comes together at once and 50 or 51 flowers will appears on it at a time. You can see how many birds you in a single once you can say 12 or 13 birds are come in it. In this branch there is 4, in this branch there is 3, and so many. Okay, and see the flower, how miniature, how small, but it takes size of this much size. Okay, then next to the chameli one, see, you can say it jasmine or chameli, as I used to say it chameli as I like the name chameli, then the jasmine. Okay, uh, this is also very small plant in my garden. This is only few month plant. Okay, the next one is exora one. This is the flower of summer season. It's a flowering season from April to the October. As this season of July, it having the you can see the flower bird in it. It also come in bunch. This is a red color flower. 2 birds are come in it. I can show you a picture aside of my video for more clarification. Okay, the next flower of my garden is the lily. This lily is of that lily is of rain lily, and this lily is, you can say, a normal land lily. And the size of this lily is much bigger than the rain lily. The flower is of that of size, and one stalk is come from the plant and having the 4 flower in it. Okay, once again the lily, this lily is of yellow color and that lily was of red color. This lily is also the same as the red one, but color is different. Okay, a single stalk will come from the plant and 4 flower is contained in it. I plant this flower. I plant this flower few months before. That's why it is very few in my pot, but it cover all the pot within a single year. That time I will show you. For the more clarification, I will adjust a picture side of my video, so which can help you to understand. Okay, let's go to this evergreen flower. This flowering season is all the 12 months. You can get flower from this flower plant. It is also most beautiful flower of my garden. For the more clarification, again I want to say, because the plant having birds only in it, no flower is at a time. But I will show one faded flower. You can see the purple flower of very beautiful flower come in it. It's also very hardy, not requires too much of water. As you see, I give some amount of organic khad, you can say, you compost in it. Okay, then next to the tulsi one, you can see the most common plant, tulsi. I will give you the trick of how to make the tulsi plant very green throughout the year in coming videos. Okay, this is the sweet potato vine. It is very common and very easy growing plant. You can grow it from a single sweet potato. I also grow it, as I say to you, but it's look very awesome. It's very easy to grow, it's very easy to care. What I say, it is very easy to maintain. Okay, now the next variety of plant is the kalanchoe. This flower plant is also having the wonderful flower in it in bunch, and it is of red color. This plant is of the same variety, same you can say phylum from which the Varophyllum belongs. The Varophyllum plants can easily grow, and this plant are also easily grown with the help of the single piece of the leaves. If you take a single piece of leaves and put it in the soil, it produce a baby plant from the age of the leaves. From here, you can say from the every age of the leaves, it's give us a lot of baby plant from it. Okay, then let's go to the next flower plant of my garden. This is a very common plant, and I think everyone can identify it very easily. This is the flower plant of the Guldaudi. You can see a single flower pot having the lot of branches. You can see how this flower has achieved one day come. I used to say everyone that one day come, thousands of flower come in my flower plot. It's a joke only, but it's not a joke. You can say thousands of flower will come in its of costly one day in a month of October. October is starting November. Okay, this is of pink color and white variation in the flower. You can also see in it. This is also a pot of my Guldaudi flower plant. I can share the link from which you can see the care of this flower plant in the summer. This is the summer season, and I maintain the how the greeny it's look, and of course one day it's contain a lot of flowers on it. This is of purple color. I can show you the one more type which my garden has, that is of white. You can see this is also develops its branches very well, and it's also are very green and healthy plant. Okay, at last I want to thank you to seeing my all the videos completely.